Mastering English, numbers 21 to 29, easy as 1, 2, 3. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of cardinal numbers, specifically focusing on the numbers 21 through 29. These numbers may seem tricky at first, but once you understand the pattern, it becomes a piece of cake. We'll unravel this mystery together, so let's start counting. Numbers 21 through 29 in English follow a specific pattern. They are formed by combining two separate numbers, 20, which represents the tens place, and a number from 1 to 9, which represents the units place. For instance, let's take the number 21. It's formed by combining 20 and 1. It's important to note that these two numbers are connected by a hyphen, which is this little symbol right here. So, the number 21 in English is written as 21. Let's apply the same principle to the other numbers. 22 is 22. 23 is 23, and so forth until 29, which is 29. The pattern is consistent. It always starts with 20, followed by the number representing the units place. While forming these numbers, be cautious about two common mistakes. 1. Forget about the hyphen. It is always 21, not 21. 2. Mixing the order of the numbers. It is 23, not 320. Always remember, the 20 comes first. And there you have it. Now you know how to form and use the English numbers 21 through 29. Remember, it's all about recognizing the pattern and practicing. Keep counting, and in no time, these numbers will roll off your tongue effortlessly. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson, where we'll continue exploring the fascinating world of English numbers. Until then, keep practicing.